I like that. That's a good looking name, dude. Nice. Thank you. Good idea. Thank you, DDBB. You are fucking awesome. In fact, you know what? Here, let's even go. This is LOL. So that means we have officially bought this thing. Let's go add to watch list. We'll put it in the LOL list. Community for the win. You guys are awesome. I've told you this before. This is the primary reason why I did this, but I don't know fundamentals and there's no way in hell I can screen the entire universe. So you guys, we all work together. 1+1 = 3. To me, this is exactly why this place exists. This whole idea of community. We all work together. This is a person after my own heart. So hopefully you can see it. Actually, geez, this looks pretty good. We got some names that Brian might like. Hey, there it is. Yeah. We've got Eddie to the point now where he could probably go and open up his own hedge fund now. Hey, what do you think, Eddie? Are you ready to take over the world? I like as I would say, I like the cut of your jib here. This is actually not bad. 7 cents after being as high as $5 in the previous cycle. So this ain't got any room to move back up. I think we all know the answer to that. If we look at this on a regular chart, this is just going to look like an absolute train wreck. But let's see. Boom. There you go. So, is this appealing to the cheap ass in Brian? You better believe it. Love it. 7 days ago, Beta Finance to launch points leaderboard in December. Not sure what that is, but when I see W's like this, holy Shiite Muslim. The problem here, of course, is that it's pretty difficult to do fundamental analysis on these things. Obviously they don't have a book value per share and that kind of stuff. I have no problem whatsoever going and buying little old lady style names that look like that. That is absolutely in my wheelhouse. I'm more than comfortable to little old lady this thing. Don't know which one it is. Is it Beta Finance or is it Beta? Beta Finance 7.6. So I think that's what this price was. 7.7. So there goes Eddie. He's already bidding the damn thing up. Can you grab an extra 300, 400 bucks worth of it and I'll settle up with you? Because I don't really mind that. You can clearly see where the double bottom is. The double bottom's there at 7.28. So buying this thing at 7.6, I'm not gonna lose a lot of sleep over the difference between 7.2 and 7.6. So I'm more than happy to pay that price. In fact, I'd be willing to pay up to 7.869 there, right? That's the double bottom level. So, and probably there's a whole bunch of people watching this damn video right now and they're all in there trying to buy this thing. That's a good looking name. So who the hell was this that asked about this? Who was this? Where was this? DB request. That was DDBB. I like that. That's a good looking name, dude. Nice. Thank you. Good idea. Thank you, DDBB. You are fucking awesome. In fact, you know what? Here, let's even go. This is LOL. So that means we have officially bought this thing. Let's go add to watch list. We'll put it in the LOL list. There it is. And we will add a note and we will say DDBB's idea. Thank you, sir. Community for the win. You guys are awesome. This is, I've told you this before. This is the primary reason why I did this. I mean, I could be sitting at some prop firm like Top Step just barking away on my own, but I don't know fundamentals and there's no way in hell I can screen the entire universe. So you guys, we all work together. 1+1 = 3. To me, this is exactly why this place exists. This whole idea of community. We all work together. My suggestion to you is keep a close eye on things like these meme coins because I think, and geez, this CPOOL, look at that up and oh fuck me, look at it go. I'm long from 4.5 or so. I think I'm long from this double bottom. DeFi came, yeah, 4.5. So look at that. We're actually at double levels now. Son of a bitch. So actually, I could take some profits. I can pay for the transaction with Eddie with the profits from CPOOL. Go figure. That was one of Cole's ideas, and actually Cole there was commenting in the SOF room. And if anything, this is such a great analogy. Number one, this is why I like to do the little old lady strategy, because all the traders and stuff, they would have been blown out here. But because it was a relatively small bet, I didn't have to worry about getting stopped out. But also, number two, I really missed a beautiful ad trade there on a lot of these names back there in September and October. And I don't know why, and I think it was because of all the stress and stuff that I had around that damn ledger thing. I missed a whole bunch of really, really good buys there in October, November. But oh well, there's not much you can do about it now. Live by the sword, die by the sword. Great to see. Actually, there's yet another double. So that's encouraging.